not even that long ago, really, there used to be things like having to move from page 1 to page 2 of Facebook. Now we've had the invention of the infinite scroll. The infinite scroll means we can literally scroll forever, and it will keep delivering updates to us. It never says to us, you've looked at everything now, put your phone down, because it will keep delivering more and more to us. And these platforms are designed that way to keep us on them, because the longer we spend on them, the more likely we are to click on an ad, and therefore they make money. The other thing as well is that the more time we spend on them, the more they can learn about us. So let's take Instagram as an example. If you're liking certain posts, Instagram is learning what you like. If you're engaging with certain content, then it's getting to know you even better, which means it can deliver ads to you that are perfect for you, that you're more likely to click on and you're more likely to spend money on. So all of these apps are designed in that way, not just social media. It could be dating apps. It could be clothing apps like ASOS. You know, you're going on a night out and you spend 3 hours looking for a dress. You might as well just nip to the Trafford Centre. It'd have been a lot quicker. It's games as well. Gaming, oh my God, you know, takes you forever to pass a level, but you just want to get past that level. And then once you pass that level, oh, let's try and see if we can get past the next level. So gaming apps as well. Honestly, the list is endless, and it is not our fault. It's because they are designed that way. They're designed to be addictive. The problem is that as a result, we just pick this thing up unconsciously. We pick it up without even thinking about it now. And the reason we do that is actually dopamine. So most addiction is based around the release of dopamine. And so actually, before we even pick up our phone, we have a release of dopamine now, because it's that reward center in our brain that says something good's about to happen here. Although it doesn't always happen, does it? With our phones, there's not always that good thing. So really, it's probably the unpredictability. When we go on Instagram, we don't know what we're about to see. You know, when we go on a dating app, we might be like swiping through to find the perfect partner. When we're on a game, we might just pass that level. So that release of dopamine happens the second we've decided to even pick up our phone. It's a bit like if you've ever read any studies about dogs, and, you know, every time a bell rings that they're given a treat, and eventually every time the bell rings, they're drooling and they've not even been given a treat. The dopamine has already been released. And I guess if we relate that to humans, it's like walking into a bakery and knowing we're going to buy a lovely piece of cake. Already we've got this like release of excitement and build up, and oh my God, I'm so looking forward to this cake. How often do we devour that cake and go, oh, I didn't even notice eating that? And it's a bit like that with our phones. We're like, oh, I'm going to go on my phone. Oh, I'm so excited. And we pick it up, and then hours have passed and gone, oh, didn't even really notice what I was doing on my phone. And the problem is we often eat the whole cake equivalently on our phone. We pick it up and we spend ages on there, because we're not just having a little slice for 2 minutes. We end up eating the whole cake, and it's not good for us.